Immobiliser fitting is a brand new 2024 plate Range Rover Sport protected with a Starline Pro Immobiliser. So this being a hybrid, if we start it up, you'll see it goes to ready. Also the engine started in this case. We now put it in gear, you'll see the vehicle cut out. It's gone to off, we're unable to drive it away. So the customer can choose from an optional tag. We have the battery out in a minute. If we pop the battery in, now start the car. Hear a disarm tone straight away, we can drive off. As you see, it still goes to ready. We can put it into gear, drive away. With this system, you can also pair a phone up, so we'll just pop the battery out of that. We've now turned the Bluetooth on this phone, so most people just carry their phone in their pocket. You can get in, start the car. It disarms just simply using the phone, and we can drive off. Obviously, if you don't go for a tag, your phone goes flat, you're going to want to be able to drive the car, so you can use a push sequence to do that. Start it up. We don't hear a tone, so before we put it in gear, we'll put a code in. For now, we have 1, 2, 3. Hear that disarm tone, we can now put it in gear. This is the Starline Pro. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This system has a tag compared to your phone, and you can choose your own unique push sequence. Give us a call 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.